It's 2 o'clock on Sunday. Somebody got a whole box of mashed potatoes instant down the sink, so I'm clocking in. Gonna go fix some shit. I'm going to Deerfield, 18 minutes away. Alright, so a box of instant mashed potatoes. Alright, so this is definitely not going to work there. This is going way past this. It's all flooded in there. So I'm going to get my snake. Alright, so I'm not going to screw up your floor. I'm going to get the whole spool down with K50. Now I can safely say this is mashed potatoes and not cocaine. Definitely mashed potatoes. It's not fixed.
It's not? Oh, no, it's not.
It just backed up away. Now it's coming up here.
Yeah.
Alright?
Alright.
I gotta send a snake down your roof vent. In a year, I'm gonna go to the Holy Grail. I'm gonna get my eternal life. I see what nobody sees. Nobody can stop me. I literally have the favor of your Creator. So, you know, when I talk nasty and stuff, I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm trying to rub it in whoever's face that has any doubt. Until your blood's beside my own, you're legally dead, officially. You're part of the lost sea of souls. Doesn't matter what religion you are. All your leaders swear on a frickin' Bible. You know, and in that Bible it says, this is Satan's world. And I got gallons of motherfucking blood as Satan. And millions of motherfucking witnesses, thousands of motherfuckers with their blood beside my own. Nobody will escape this. Heaven is coming to earth for the benefit of all. We're getting everybody eternal life. And, it's just that simple. Fuck off.